So now we have reached to the top of Fancy Pen Legend. Something bad just happened. हमने कोई 100 stairs भी cover नहीं की थी. That our stamina and our fear was not allowing us to go. It's not safe with kids. तो बहुत मुश्किल से हम वापस ऊपर नीचे उतर के रहे. And now we are going with the funicular train. Train लेना is the safest option. क्योंकि अब यहाँ तक आए हैं तो we should try Fancy Pen Legend. So stay tuned. देखते हैं क्या होता है, हम पहुँच पाते हैं या नहीं. Hi everyone, so I just got to meet some tourists here. And where you belong?
Western Australia.
Okay. What enforced you to come to Vietnam?
We've heard lots about it. We can get some cool air.
Because Australia is everywhere it's hot. Too hot.
Yes.
So you were telling me your husband came for trekking.
Yep. Husband and son are trekking many kilometres. I am not.
So you're a mountain person?
As long as I don't have to climb, yes.
But a mountain person, but through train.
Yes.
Because the stairs are too tough.
Very tough on old legs.
Which is your favorite place in Vietnam up till now?
I think it might be yet to come. We're going to Halong Bay.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, Halong Bay is still very hot.
There's water.
Yeah, but it's water. Yeah, of course, it's beach. So Sapa is, I think, it's the bestest among all the
It's very,
cities.
very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. I would recommend
Yeah,
it.
but Hanoi has very strong culture.
Very strong, very busy.
And Ho Chi Minh, what do you say about Ho Chi Minh? Thank you.
We didn't stay there. Haven't stayed there. No, that will be our next visit.
It's a very developed country. Like, how many pets do you have in your farm?
We have 8 horses, 2 dogs, lots of pond fish, canaries, chooks, 1 cow, 3 sheep,
My God,
and I want more, but I'm not allowed to have any more.
it's a little cute petting zoo in your home.
Sort of.
Wow, that's amazing.
And 2 ducks. I
What are their names?
The ducks.
The duck, that's cute.
We've got ducks, and they are Jessie and Charlie because I don't know if they're boys or girls.
Of course.
So the
Good,
name
good,
fits
good.
both.
So, Kelly, your personality is really vibrant and very funny, very lively. I love talking to you.
Thank you.
So, thank you so much for talking to me. Thank you. Have a good trip. Bye.
Bye.
That we have to climb some more stairs. Again, yeah, not funny. What is this? They are slippery. They are on a steep. So now we have reached to the top of it. And हमने इनका वियतनामी झंडा भी लहरा दिया है और ये it's worth it. It's worth it. All the mess, all the stairs, all the trains, everything is worth it. So do come here. I love Vietnam and its places. It's very interesting, and people who come from mild areas, hot areas, people who don't are not fortunate to see हर वक्त उनके इलाकों में गर्म weather रहता है, so they should come to Vietnam and enjoy this beautiful weather. See you and keep watching my channel Top Reels with Shabab. Welcome to Vietnam. Hey everyone, so we have made it. We are on the top of Fancy Pen Legend. Wow, मीनाल पाकिस्तान के बराबर से लोग गुजर गए. Hello everyone, so now we have made it to the top of Fancy Pen Legend, and just I got to know that we are on the height of 3,143 meters above sea level. It's like amazing. So do come here, do try this. The weather, the atmosphere and the vibe, it's cool, too good. welcome back to Cocktails with Rimsha Farhan, and I am on the streets of Sapa, and I would love to buy something or just have a stroll around. So मैंने सोचा क्यों ना लाइव जाया जाए, बिकॉज दी खूबसूरत से रेस्टोरेंट्स बने हुए हैं यहाँ पर. सो मुझे ये शॉप पसंद आई है और मेरा दिल फिर मैं यहाँ से कुछ छोटी छोटी सी क्यूट चीज़ें हैं. How much is this?
900.
900.
Yeah.
Not any lesser?
If you buy more, I discount for you.
Let me check some colors, then I'll decide.
What color you want?
I think I'll be with the blue. Blue and with some, but not dull. Yeah, this looks good. Can you open it fully? I want to check the length. It's too big for my table. Do you have something small?
What color you want?
Not this big. I want a bit smaller.
Small.
Yeah.
I hear you.
This
I hear
one is
you,
good.
I hear you. Yeah, this one shorter.
Shorter than that. Are you sure? This looks the same. You sure? English is good. After good.
Yeah.
It is good, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, the idea. Where are you from?
From Pakistan, but lives in Dubai.
Oh, that's better.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Skills, but I will upload it later. Right now I'm telling you that we are reaching back to Hanoi and kids are totally fall asleep. और अब हनोई में क्या क्या हुआ, कैसे दिन गुजरे, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी. Keep watching Cocktails with Rimsha Farhan.
We are going to more interesting places, and as long as we are in Vietnam, more adventure will be waiting for us.